Whether you want to enjoy it as a salad or in a sandwich, this egg salad is so creamy with just the right amount of crunch. Hi, you're watching Plating It with Wendy, where I share with you recipes which impress with ease. There's nothing better than a perfect egg salad, and you've just found one. So let's get started. Let's start by putting 1 inch of water in a pot and bringing it to a boil on a high flame. Once the water has come to a boil, we're going to lower the flame to medium-low and insert a steamer in. Yes, you heard me, we're going to be steaming 8 eggs for this recipe. Now let's cover the pot with a lid and allow the eggs to steam for exactly 13 minutes. Once they're done, let's take them out and immerse them in an ice water bath. We're going to allow them to rest in that water for 15 minutes. And you'll see how easy it is to shell the eggs. See how beautifully these shell? Oh, this is amazing because it just peels off effortlessly. We're going to chop the eggs up into small chunk-sized pieces. For that, we're going to first cut it down vertically and then horizontally. Alternatively, you could even use a fork to mash it up. Now let's add the chopped eggs to a large bowl so that it becomes easy for us to mix the salad. For that fresh flavor and a subtle punch, we're going to chop 2 leaves of scallion right down to the bottom. Let's add this to the bowl. For that herby flavor, we're going to finely chop a small bunch of dill. Now let's toss it in. For a bit of crunch, we're going to be adding 1 stalk of celery. We're going to cut this up really fine, and so we're going to cut it down lengthwise first. And now we're going to go and cut it as fine as we can into bits. This is going to add that nice dimension of texture to the soft egg salad. Let's add that to the egg. What better match than bacon and eggs? We're going to fry about 4 strips of bacon, and we're going to chop 2 up really fine, just like crumble, so that we can add it to the salad. And we're going to preserve 2 slices for later. Let's add the bacon with the rest. I always like a salad with a nutty flavor, so I'm going to add 1/4 cup of toasted pecans, and we're going to just give it a rough chop. Now let's add this to the party. Now to give our salad that nice, luscious, creamy texture, we're going to be adding in 1/2 cup of mayo, and to that we're going to add 1 teaspoon of Dijon Mustard, and that's going to give our salad dressing that lovely, edgy, sharp flavor. And just for a little zing, we're going to add just a few drops of lemon juice. Now let's give this a mix, and once all the flavors have combined well, we're going to add it to our salad. And we're going to add the dressing to the salad. We want to get every bit of all that dressing. Let's season this with some freshly cracked black pepper. And let's be pretty generous because eggs always taste better when they are well seasoned. Now with a gentle hand, let's fold this all together and mix everything well. I'm not seasoned with salt as yet because I want to taste it before I season it with salt, because the mayo and the bacon both have salt in it already. Now let's give the salad a taste to see whether we need to season it with any salt. I think just a little bit. I think that should be good. So now let's give this a light mix. God, this is so delicious. Now you can enjoy this as a salad by itself. And we're going to plate it up nicely with some salad leaf to one side. And because we love to impress, we're going to garnish the salad with a little stalk of dill. A perfect way to serve this up for a brunch is to toast a bagel and to lay down some nice green curly salad leaf on it. We're going to spoon out some of the egg salad on top. And then we're going to top it with 2 slices of bacon. Another option, which is my favorite, would be to lay down some nice slices of avocado, scoop on some of the egg salad, and top it with some nice garden grown tomato. Now for a good old-fashioned egg salad sandwich. that's perfect for any quick meal or even just to take for a picnic. So we're going to start with some nice brown bread, lay down some curly lettuce, put on some of the egg salad, a good generous helping. Let's slice it into half and look at that. And for a perfect low-carb meal, you can pull up some lettuce boats with the delicious egg salad. I can't wait to give this delicious salad a taste. I'm gonna go with the boat. They say don't put all your eggs in one basket, but trust me, for this salad, you'll want to do that. This salad is so creamy, crunchy, nutty, all in one. What can I say? It's simply excellent. If you're new to my channel or haven't subscribed already, subscribe. And if you hit on the bell icon, you'll get a notification every time I upload a new video. If you enjoy watching my videos, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and leave me your comments below. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. The information is in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you soon.